This is why ostrich eyes are absolutely wild. They're not just big, they're record breakers. Here's what makes them so amazing. Ostrich eyes are the largest of any land animal, about 2 inches wide. That's bigger than a billiard ball. And yes, even bigger than their walnut-sized brain. These giant eyeballs give ostriches superpower vision. They can spot a sneaky predator, like a lion, from over 2 miles away. With eyes on the sides of their heads, they get an almost 350-degree view of the world. Talk about eyes in the back of your head. Plus, those long lashes, not just for fashion, they protect against sandstorms on the African savanna. Next time you see an ostrich, remember, those massive eyes aren't just for show. They're the ultimate survival tool. Now that's eye-opening.